Hello everyone. Hi guys, hi to everyone. Hi Arpita, hi, there's a lot of you already joining in. How are you? I'm good Swarnima. How are you? आप लोग कैसे हैं? वेरी रैंडम लाइव सेशन. आप मैसेज का जवाब पलक आप प्लीज़ व्हाट्सएप कर दीजिए. अगर आप डीएम कर रहे हो हमारे पास आई थिंक थाउजेंड्स ऑफ डीएम्स आते हैं, सो इट्स लिटरली इम्पॉसिबल. आपको व्हाट्सएप करना पड़ेगा. व्हाट्सएप कर दीजिए. द लिंक इज़ इन बायो. मैंने अभी स्क्रीन पे नंबर भी पिन डाउन कर दिया है. कोड सेट कौन से आपको चाहिए फॉर री स्टॉकिंग, आप प्लीज़ व्हाट्सएप कर दीजिए फॉर द सेम. आप कैसे हो? आई एम गुड. आप लोग बताइए. हाउ टू ऑर्डर फॉर प्लेसिंग एन ऑर्डर गाइस. एज यू ऑल नो आज वेबसाइट पे ये ऑफर चल रहा है. अगर आप वेबसाइट से ऑर्डर करते हो 5000 के ऊपर आप लोगों को मिलेगा या तो एक कोड सेट, एल्स यू आर गोइंग टू गेट अ सूट और अ चिकनकारी कुर्ता. एनी ऑफ दीज ऑफ योर साइज, यू डोंट गेट टू सिलेक्ट. Yamini, please WhatsApp on 9696538188 because this number that you're texting वो सिर्फ order का number है. The complaint number is completely different. So guys, you can place your orders. अगर आपको order club करना है, website का order and live का order club करके अगर 5000 का billing हो रहा है तब भी आप offer को avail कर सकते हो. You'll get a suit absolutely free of your size. Okay, sorry. Arpit, yes, I'm sorry. Okay guys, so I will show you some pieces quickly including the one जो मैंने पहना है. A very stunning piece. You guys know ये हमारा best seller था and हम इसे 2 बार रीस्टॉक कर चुके हैं. This is the last time. कुछ लोग बोल रहे थे that I had. Please, the complaint number is 9696 538188. Yes, this is the complaint number. So बहुत लोग मुझे बोल रहे थे that I had to उनको ये buy करना है but they are not getting an idea of how it's going to look on them. So इसीलिए मैंने आज style किया इसे along with a sleek bun, you know, because मेरा today I had my hairs very oily, so I thought why not do a sleek bun. ये इसका complete look है. Glass tissue में है. This is in premium glass tissue. You can see it has this handwork all over. And trust me guys, the dupatta is so gorgeous. You can wear it for some small get together parties के लिए. बहुत decent piece है, बहुत ज़्यादा work नहीं है, बहुत gaudy नहीं है and the price is just 2300. Please comment and let me know if आप पहली बार हमारे live को देख रहे हो. Please comment and let me know. Also guys, we have started uploading our live session on YouTube because Insta में ये feature नहीं है जहाँ पे आप फास्ट फॉरवर्ड करके देख सकते हो. सो बहुत सारे क्लाइंट्स की रिक्वेस्ट आती थी कि बहुत टाइम उनका कंज्यूम हो रहा है. सो दैट इज़ वाई हम यूट्यूब पे अपने सारे वीडियोस अब अपलोड कर रहे हैं. आप फास्ट फॉरवर्ड करके स्क्रीनशॉट लेके व्हाट्सएप पे अपनी बुकिंग्स प्लेस कर सकते हो. मैनी पीसेज आर ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड ऑन वेबसाइट. नाउ आई विल शो यू सम पीसेज जो आज की रील में हमने लॉन्च किया है. वेबसाइट पे भी हमने लॉन्च कर दिया है ऑन www.trendonthego.in. Let me show you these. You guys know ये प्री ऑर्डर पे चल रहा है एंड वेडनेसडे थर्सडे को शिप होगा. 7 to 10 days का प्री ऑर्डर है. इट्स ऑलरेडी अप ऑन वेबसाइट गाइज एंड इट्स अ वेरी प्रीमियम कोटा डोरिया सूट. कोटा डोरिया का सूट है. हरी अप एंड प्लेस सी ऑर्डर. एज आई टोल्ड यू यस्टरडे 300 पीसेस का लॉट बना हुआ था. 250 की ऑलरेडी हमें बुकिंग्स पहले से आ गई थी जो 20 days से वेट कर रहे हैं. वी टोल्ड देम द टाइमलाइन नाउ 20 days. वो लोग 20 days से वेट कर रहे हैं कोटा डोरिया के सूट के लिए. सो अब फाइनली दिस ट्यूसडे 300 पीसेस रेडी होगा तो ट्यूसडे से ऑर्डर प्रोसेसिंग स्टार्ट होगा इनके एंड विद इन 3 days ऑल द 300 ऑर्डर्स विल बी शिप्ड. बट येस्टरडे आई टोल्ड यू 50 ऑर्डर्स 50 पीसेस थे हमारे पास, अभी सिर्फ 18 ही बचे हैं फॉर द वाइट वन, सिंस वी ऑलरेडी लॉन्च्ड इट बिफोर प्री लॉन्च लाइव में ही. यू गाइज मेड इट अ सुपर डुपर हिट पीस. लेट मी शो यू द डिटेलिंग. बहुत प्रीमियम एंड बहुत सोबर पीस है एट द प्राइस ऑफ जस्ट 1999. आप देखोगे दिस इज ऑल कोटा डोरिया, अंदर लाइनिंग लगी हुई है, वाइट कॉटन पैंट्स है एंड अ वेरी प्रिटी. दिस इज अ दुपट्टा. बहुत सुंदर पीस है गाइज. आई मीन very stunning. You can book it on our website directly, and for today you can get an offer as well. 5000 की बुकिंग पे आपको एक सूट absolutely free मिलेगा. There's this, ये भी हमने आज लॉन्च किया है. डिटेल एम्ब्रॉयडरी है वेबसाइट पे, आप देखोगे. प्लीज़ विजिट करिए. द वेबसाइट इज www.trendonthego.in. It's in premium Kota Doria and I personally love the dupattas of these pieces. Have a look. For placing an order you have to actually visit our website and place it there. Look at this premium Kota में आप देख रहे हो the linings. This is Kota fabric. Sizes that we have is small to XXL. The price is 1999. आज के लिए introductory price पे है. Else it's going to be 2200 only. ऑल्सो ये वाला पीस भी आप देखोगे आज हमने वेबसाइट पे डाल दिया है. वेरी स्टनिंग. कुछ साइजेस ऑलरेडी ख़त्म हो गए. प्योर कॉटन में है. बोहो पीस है स्पेशली फॉर नवरात्रा अपकमिंग फेस्टिविटीज. पाकिस्तानी लुक में इफ यू सी देयर इज लेसेस हियर, tassels. Sorry, do you send to the USA? Yes, we do ship worldwide except for Pakistan. We ship everywhere. Let me show you the have one piece of ML. Sizes small to XXL. Very stunning guys. You can shop directly on our website and a very pretty dupatta. It's also at an introductory price of 1999 only for today. आपका वॉइस बहुत लो आ रहा है. I'm really sorry guys. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा तेज. Do you have teal blue color dress? Yes, I was about to show it. We launched it today on our website. We launched it today on our reels. जो मैंने पहना है आप उसे ज़रूर देखिए. ग्लास टिश्यू में आप लोगों को पता है ग्लास टिश्यू कितना ज़्यादा ट्रेंड में है. These prices are in INR. It's in Indian rupees. You can WhatsApp us. We will help you out in converting the same. Look at this. ये हमने आज ही लॉन्च किया है. We have launched this today on our website www.trendonthego.in guys. You can make your purchase. They are at introductory price of just 2200. This color is really very much in trend, and this one red though it's always everyone's favorite, and especially when it's Karwa Chauth time, then you have to actually take 4-5 red outfits and then select one from them. Premium crepe में है बंदेज print पे. Sizes small to XXL है. The normal price is 2400, but आज के लिए सिर्फ introductory price पे है. That is 2200 only guys. I wore it for yesterday's live and अभी ऑलमोस्ट ख़त्म हो रहा है. लास्ट टाइम भी इसका हमने दूसरा प्रिंट लॉन्च किया था. इट गॉट सोल्ड आउट विद इन अ डे. इसके अभी कुछ पीसेस बचे हैं, सो वी हैव ऑलरेडी अपडेटेड इट ऑन द वेबसाइट. प्रीमियम ग्लास टिश्यू में है अलॉन्ग विद दिस पैचवर्क. इफ यू सी इट्स अ वेरी स्टनिंग एंड अ डिसेंट सूट. येस, इट्स एक्चुअली वेरी स्टनिंग. Very sober ivory color में है and this color combination literally steals the show. Sizes that we have is small to XXL. We have lining attached inside. ये इसका bottom आएगा. It's a plain bottom. You can shop directly on our website, else you can WhatsApp us. इसका price 2200 है. आप website से directly ले सकते हो. आप बस ये देखो कि how pretty the piece is. I mean, very stunning. Also we are getting a lot of queries that because of Shraddh, I think Shraddh is going on, so many of you people have faith in it and आप लोग new outfits नहीं buy करते हो. So for them we had already told you yesterday कि आप 500 rupees you can deposit as a token, and when Navratra starts you can get your order shipped from our end, but please make sure no changes in the order. आपको वही पीस लेना पड़ेगा जो आपने बुक करवाया है. The size chart is standard. Sizes that we have is small to double XL, guys, and this one is literally one of the best pieces that we have. The dress that I am wearing is in glass tissue and the price is 2300, teamed up with black color pants and a very pretty dupatta. So this one you can pick it up on our website पे है. The price is 2200 only. Glass tissue में है, very affordable at the introductory price. That I am wearing, Astha, is for 2300, and as you can see we just have 7 to 8 pieces if you see there. बस इतना ही बचा है. We bought 25 pieces. I mean ये third time ये piece restock हो रहा है and this is the last restock because अब ये restock नहीं होगा. And also this design, and I forgot to show you, इसमें नीचे भी if you see it has this patch detailing and it's very very stunning. Also this one is launched on website. ये भी website पे launch हो चुका है, so you can directly grab it on website, else you can WhatsApp us. On the screens I have already shared the number. It's in premium butter soft muslin with a very pretty scalloped edge dupatta. Sequence work के साथ digitally printed है. Sizes is medium to 3XL. Yes, we have 3XL as well. बहुत सारे हमें request आते हैं to get 3XL pieces, so definitely we have added a lot of 3XL pieces to our collection. Even yesterday we launched this piece and it got such an amazing response. ये हमने कल ही लॉन्च किया था and this is all handwork आप देखोगे, and especially the work at the bottom of the kurta. Look at this, such a stunning work. If you see sizes इसमें आएंगे small to double XL. I think medium is already over for this, but you can check availability on WhatsApp. This is not on website. It has got a very very pretty dupatta. बहुत सुंदर है दुपट्टा इसका. I mean very decent piece. Color भी बहुत अलग है, mustard नहीं है ये. It's kind of a मेहंदी green, you can say henna green, not even dark but a light shade. Very stunning piece. बनारसी जकार्ड का इसका दुपट्टा है, bottom भी है नीचे, and I love this work. Price at an introductory price of 1999 only, guys. Just for 1999 only. Let me show you some other pieces as well. I will show you वो pieces जो website पे है, because आपको order website पे place करना पड़ेगा. इसका दुपट्टा and ये piece is literally, I mean हमारे जितने भी customers हैं who shop regularly from us, if you are a regular customer, I would definitely request you to do one thing that I always do. Please comment and share your feedback so that others can see and make their purchase. And guys, you can also follow us on YouTube now. वहाँ पे आप live session और comfortably देख सकते हो. I'll tell you our YouTube ID. It's actually trend_on_. Will you have the same offer as well tonight? Only valid till midnight. Post midnight the offer expires. I was telling you the ID. It's trend_on_go5761. Yes, I received the green suit today. It's beautiful and quality is so good. Thank you, Tamanna. Do share your pictures when you wear it. This is also up on website and a very stunning, बहुत buttery soft muslin है. Along with the dupatta, you can see the tassels. नवरात्रा के लिए best है. Look at this dupatta. And just because of you guys request, I have made a size 3XL as well. Sizes that we have is small to 3XL, guys. Price इसका है 2400 only. बहुत amazing piece है at the price that we are offering. The quality is top notch. Hi, it is just online or can we walk in? Sorry guys, we don't have a store. हमारा कोई store नहीं है. We just have our online warehouse in Noida. A stunning piece again, which we couldn't launch on website क्योंकि ये live से ही खत्म हो गया था. But somehow I got 3 pieces today. I just managed to get 3 pieces today. Pakistani fit में very sober decent suit. This is the sleeves, and one more thing, Look at this, the bottom of the kurta. And a very pretty dupatta. Look at this, the dupatta is so stunning. बहुत स्टनिंग दुपट्टा है एंड आप देखोगे दुपट्टे पे हाँ. So this is how it looks. Very very pretty. And guys, size ML XL ही है. Rest sold. Just ML XL. I somehow managed to find it कि ये पड़ा हुआ था वेयर हाउस में एंड लोग इसकी इतनी डिमांड कर रहे थे. Just 3 pieces. I bought 30 dresses from you and they are beautiful. I get so. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. She is one of our very dearest client from Texas, if I'm not wrong. आप Texas से हो. It's so pretty. Yes, it's so pretty and the price is just 1,999 only. This is how it looks. And guys, the dupatta is so pretty. Look at the work over the dupatta. Hi, please do it now. I'll just ask them to reply to you immediately. Doodle's brain, I don't know your name. I'm really sorry for the inconvenience, but please WhatsApp now. I'll definitely ask the team to check. Size medium, large, XL, double XL is sold, small is sold. So just 3 pieces hai. Whoever books it first, let's see. Price 1,999. Let me see if the bottom has some work. I think iska bottom plain hi tha. Yeah, the bottom is plain, so I'm not showing it to you. Hi Ashwarya, please kindly WhatsApp us. I don't know why your order is not delivered. I'll just check it personally because we don't take this much time. Normally 3 to 5 days may we deliver it. There definitely would be some issue. Either it will have been returned. I would request you to please WhatsApp on 96965381882200. It's already up on website. This pink suit, guys, only 3 pieces. Sizes I already told you, medium, large and XL. Double XL is sold out. And my personal favorite is the work on the dupatta. Look at this. And also this one. So stunning and the price is just 1,999. Can you just believe it? Straight cut, yes, New Jersey. Yes, I'm sorry, she was from New Jersey. It's not on website Astha क्योंकि 3 ही pieces, so it's no use of uploading it on website. No sizes. Can you share number? Yes, Ashwarya, please note it down. It's 9696 538188. The one that I am wearing is for 2300. It's in premium glass tissue with a very gorgeous dupatta. You can see the colorful dupatta. Sujal, hi, how are you? Where are you guys from? Are you joining our live session for the first time? Price is 2300 only for today. Premium glass tissue में. Guys, please let me know आप लोग कहाँ से हो, and if you're watching our live for the first time, please introduce yourself. How did you actually get to know about us? आपको कहाँ से पता चला about Trend on the Go? If you don't know me, I am the founder of Trend on the Go and we do usual live session, very frequent. Yes, right, Aishwarya, this is the number. Kolhapur, okay. We are based out in Noida, if you guys don't know. अगर आप भी नोएडा से हो, आपको सेम डे डिलीवरी चाहिए तो डेफिनेटली वी आर अप फॉर इट. ऑल्सो ये पीस आज ही रीस्टॉक हुआ है. मच लव, थैंक यू. आई एम फ्रॉम यूएसए. हाई, लव फ्रॉम इंडिया. I am from HP Palampur from Chandigarh. Guys, please share our live with your friends and family so that they can also check it and place their orders. I will show it to you, Aditi Kedia. Yeah, we have Alex 1,999 plus. Huh? Huh, you can take one more. Please show. Love this one. It's not on website. This one is not on website. You have to place it manually. This got sold out super duper soon. I just have 8 pieces for now. Sizes small to double XL. That is 2 different sets. Very decent one. And this one came now in crepe. It's in crepe fabric. Super soft. Has mull cotton lining. No itching. Nothing. In summers you can definitely wear with gota detailing. Very fine. बहुत subtle piece है. If you look at the dupatta, complete dupatta in peach color. It's actually in peach color. and it's I'm from Australia, love your collection, too trendy, thank you. Then what are you waiting for? Do place your orders on WhatsApp, because our website does not accept international order. You have to place it, guys. The price only for today, it's for 1999, else the price is 2200. All the old customers already know, but just for today I have only 8 pieces, so the price is 1999 only. You can take a screenshot and place your bookings. बहुत stunning piece if you're looking for something affordable in ivory color. I am from Kashmir, that's great. Price, guys, 1999 only for today, and again a very affordable piece. Price, trust me, only for today it's for 1999, because you're not going to get such a heavy party wear piece at the price of 1999. This is all handwork, Zardosi detailing भी आप इसमें देखोगे, and इसका दुपट्टा is very very different. If you see, this is the sleeves, 3/4 sleeves. Is there anyone else watching from outside India? This is how it looks. If you see, there are small detailing all over the kurta. पूरे कुर्ते पे it has this small detailing. Sizes we have is medium to 3XL. Yes. Price 1999 only. Stunning Banarsi jacquard का दुपट्टा है. If you see, this is the दुपट्टा, guys. Very very stunning. Price इसका है सिर्फ और सिर्फ 1999 only for today. It's just for today. I will show you one more piece. Let me see if I have it with me. Do you guys remember we launched a I Love You collection? Thank you. I'm from US. Hi. Madhushika. Hi. How are you guys? How are you? How did you get to know about us? Please let us know. 5th from right, Aditi. 5th from right. My right is this. 5th from right. अभी मैंने आपको दिखाया था. I have just shown the 5th from right. Just 3 pieces. So what size? क्या size? Over. Then you can take one L and one XL. That's it. फिर खत्म है ये piece. Sizes that we have is small to XXL. I am from Tamil Nadu. I love the way you make reels. Thank you, Varshini. Thank you so very much. Price, ma'am. Price इसका 2499 है. Also, I was discussing with my team. We get a lot of requests that how I make reels, how I actually do. We were planning to do a workshop. So let us know if you guys are interested to join in. If in future you want to plan a business or do something, I am definitely planning to do a workshop super soon. Not now, but not immediately, but super soon. I'm from Pune. What your shipping rates? Totally depends on the weight. I'm from Michelle and I have ordered from. Yes, I do remember you. How can I forget you? Have ordered, I guess, almost 30-40 suits. If I'm not wrong, you gifted all your family members in India. In India, इन्होंने अपने सारे family members को gift भिजवाया था for Eid. I took some screenshot last night. Is it okay if I, dear? Yes, you can. Hurry up and place your order before midnight, so that you don't miss out on the offer of getting a free suit or a free coat set on orders above 5K. That ends today midnight. Yes, I'm right. Yes, I do remember. Guys, this one, last few pieces, rust color is already sold out. Rust इसमें already sold out है. This is in pure Dola. Very stunning, very rich look. Sizes small to XXL है. बनारसी pure Dola का. It has this Dola का दुपट्टा. Ordered the pink one already. That's great. You are the lucky one. आज था 3 ही पीस बचे थे. जो और जिनको नहीं मिलता है ना, they just like आपने मुझे नहीं दिया. I'm really sorry guys. मैं हमेशा ये चाहती हूँ कि आप सबको जो चाहिए वो मिले, बट हर बार मेरे हाथ में कलेक्शन नहीं होता. I cannot have ample of pieces for any design, क्योंकि बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि वो pieces फिर dump हो जाते हैं. The yellow one is for 2499 just because it's in pure Dola, guys. This is in pure Dola. You guys know how rich pure Dola is. Sizes small to XXL. Price iska 2499 hai. If you see this is the sleeves and a very pretty dupatta. Something in pastels. Yes, there's a lot of pastels, especially that we have launched today. I will show you some pastels. My favorite pastel one. Very different suit, short Pakistani fit in premium cotton. अंजलि तोमर प्लीज़ किस चीज़ के लिए बताइए, क्या आप प्लीज़ मैम. आई थिंक आई शेयर फॉर करवा चौथ. अंजलि बहुत सारे रेड के ऑप्शंस ऑलरेडी आ चुके थे, ख़त्म भी हो गए, बहुत सारे आएंगे भी. सो स्टे ट्यून. आप रेगुलर लाइव सेशन चेक कीजिए, करवा चौथ में अभी बहुत टाइम है. सो आप चेक करते रहिए, बहुत ऑप्शंस आपको मिलेंगे. हर लाइव में हम कुछ ना कुछ इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं एंड विद इन आई मीन वी ट्राई चेंजिंग इट. सो गाइज ये आप देखोगे, दिस इज ऑल हैंडवर्क हियर एंड ट्रस्ट मी इट्स अ वेरी प्रिटी सूट. वाइट वन, येस आई विल शो यू द वाइट वन. एंड इफ यू सी, इसके नीचे आप देखोगे बहुत स्टनिंग है. दिस इज एक्चुअली अ शॉर्ट कुर्ता. The one you're wearing is really thank you so much, thank you so very much. Okay, so this is the sleeves. You can see it's in mull cotton guys. Mull cotton का है. Yeah, definitely आप WhatsApp कर दीजिए. The team will revert back to you with the same. A very stunning short kurta है guys. This is not long. This is a short kurta. पाकिस्तानी fit में cotton का bottoms है, pure cotton. And a very pretty dupatta. It's in Kota Dor. The dupatta is in Kota Doria. वो पिंक अभी आस्था, अगर मैं वापस से पिंक वाला दिखाऊंगी तो जिन्होंने अभी नहीं न्यू फ्रेश ज्वाइन किया उनको भी वही चाहिए होगा. सो आई एक्चुअली कैन नॉट बिकॉज मेरे पास पीसेस ही नहीं है उसको दिखाने के लिए. एंड नाउ इट्स सोल्ड गाइज. पिंक वाला सोल्ड हो चुका है. सो प्लीज डोंट सेंड एनी बुकिंग्स फॉर पिंक. इट्स ऑलरेडी सोल्ड आउट. Do you ship to USA? Yes, we do ship to USA. The one that I'm wearing, yes, please see, it's in glass tissue, teamed up with a very pretty bottom. This is the dupatta. Guys, the pink one is already over for now, all the sizes. And you can see this, a very stunning piece if you go on my recommendation. Lucky me, yes, Asta, actually. Price 2300 only. Someone was asking for the white one, guys. Go for this. Close your eyes and go for this design. 1999 में इतनी प्यारी एम्ब्रॉयडरी आपको कहीं भी नहीं मिलेगी. Look at this, एकदम हैंडवर्क and the scallop edge दुपट्टा. Charges for international shipping totally depends on the weight of the product. The bottom is actually trousers. For all the stuff that you see, they are all simple bottom. So for which the bottom has some work. I'll show it to you in case if they don't. Price of the one that I'm wearing is on sale for today. I mean introductory price, not sale. Price is 2300 and it's in glass tissue. If you see, it has got this very pretty work. White का price was 1999. उसमें एक pink भी था and that was literally stunning. You can book it on website if you want. WhatsApp पे करना है तो WhatsApp पे भी आप कर सकते हो. Ivory में और designs लेके आओ. Definitely आस्था, go for the one that I'm wearing. It's very stunning. Let me see if I have some more. Yes, also this one got amazing response. अब कुछ pieces ही बचे हैं. This is again in premium muslin bandhej, अंदर cotton की lining and it's super soft. When I tell you it's super soft, आप उसे कभी भी पहन सकते हो. आप उसे कभी भी पहन सकते हो. Look at this. This is the sleeves and guys ये आप देख रहे हो a very different. Palmuri Anusha, hi Anusha, how are you? She is also one of our regular customer. Where have you guys been? I don't see Deepika today. Deepika, you're not here. Some of our regular clients are missing from the live, like Harsha, Deepika, and this dual tone mein hai if you see, and a very pretty dupatta. This is the dupatta. Monica as well. There's a client named Monica. She has taken I think she has taken almost उन्होंने 1 lakh का order किया था हमसे and she was really very very happy with it. I mean we got our biggest order, like a retail order, and she is from Tamil Nadu. Hi Singh Monica. Is that you Monica? I think no. But how are you? Are you joining our live for the first time? Sizes guys, small to XXL, price 2300 only. Just for 2300, a very pretty bangni suit. And also for Karwa Chauth, it's not necessary that you wear red only. आप कुछ different भी try करो. Just like the sharara, the pink Jaipuri cotton sharara. Look at this. Okay, you have only one profile. Okay. Glass tissue, more designs. Yes, I will show it to you. Short kurta hai. Look at this. And my god, the sharara. Itna amazing sharara. You see the flare. Price 2800 hai. Sleeves are already given in case if you want to attach with the organza dupatta. Looks very festive vibe. Price 2800 hai. Cash on delivery is not there, guys. Glass tissue mein, this one is a best seller because of the color. It's a very different color. It's neither purple, it's neither lavender. मतलब बहुत अलग color है. And the shine. Yes, L is going to fit for 40. Sorry, we don't have anything in Gajji silk. आपका एक customer है पे. I'm sorry. Yeah, definitely. I know you are always there, Rasta. Sizes that we have is small to XXL, guys. बहुत limited pieces है. नीचे भी embroidery है. If you see stunning piece, glass tissue में, if you see the shine, price is 2499. Very, very gorgeous piece. Even one more in premium glass tissue. Price 2499. Size is small to XXL. You guys would have seen this on our website. बहुत fast moving article है. This is the last restock. Price 1699. The sale ends midnight, guys. The sale is ending midnight. On purchase of 5000 either from our website or club it with a live session. I want to buy Sharara Anjali. Please WhatsApp कर दीजिए. Can you please show the Sharara? I will just give me a moment. Price 1699 है. A very pretty coat set. We have 3 colors. आप वेबसाइट पे जाओगे, कोड सेट के अंडर में सेक्शन में आपको मिलेगा ये. प्राइस बहुत ही अफोर्डेबल है गाइज. इट्स ओरिजिनल मिरर वर्क. कल से आई एम सर्चिंग फॉर वन ड्रेस फॉर दिवाली बिकॉज देन पू प्लीज गेट 2-3 ऑप्शंस. यू नो वी गर्ल्स आर लाइक हमें एक ड्रेस समझ नहीं आता एक ओकेजन के लिए. वी नीड 3-4 ड्रेस एंड इन द नेम ऑफ दिवाली वी टेक 3-4 ड्रेसेस एंड वी आर लाइक आई होप यू गाइज अंडरस्टैंड. यू नो हाउ गर्ल्स आर. Sale offer is on purchase of 5000 till today midnight. Whether it's from website या फिर आप live session से कर रहे हो या दोनों को club करके ले रहे हो 5000 का billing, आपको मिलेगा एक सूट या फिर एक कोट सेट absolutely free from us of your size. You don't get to select it, guys. This is the शरारा set. आपको मॉडल पिक्चर देखना है, you can visit our website. else आप हमें WhatsApp कर सकते हो. We will send it to you. Price 2800 है. Look at the flare. So stunning. Sleeves दी गई है. आपके पीछे लगा है, मेरे पीछे बहुत सारे pieces लगे हैं guys. Also इसका भी last few pieces are left. इसका bottom I'll just hang it properly. प्रीमियम सैटिन में है. दिस इज अ वेरी प्रिटी कोट सेट. प्रीमियम सैटिन में है. इफ़ यू सी 2 डिफरेंट कलर्स है. साइजेस स्मॉल टू XXL है. ये इसका बॉटम है, दैट इज ट्राउजर. साइजेस स्मॉल टू XXL है. प्राइस इसका है 1499. सम साइजेस आर ऑलरेडी सोल्ड. आप उसे कंफर्म कर सकते हो. ओके, डेफिनेटली आई विल अपलोड द लाइव. कैन यू प्लीज शो मी सम अदर ऑप्शंस वहाँ से एक बार देना. Guys, allow me a moment. I'm just checking. White wala? Pink. Okay, yeah, pink is already sold. I know. Don't have it. Also, this one also we have last few pieces. It's a premium pastel tissue silk. Price 2499. Detail embroidery. I think double XL is already sold out. Small, medium, large and XL is there. Also guys, अगर आपने इसकी बुकिंग नहीं की है तो आप अभी कर लो. लास्ट फ्यू पीसेज आर लेफ्ट. दिस इज द फाइनल कॉल. पिंक ऑलरेडी आउट ऑफ स्टॉक है. ये भी होने वाला है. एज आई कैन सी आई हैव 3 or 4 पीसेज ओनली. प्राइस 1999 है. प्रीमियम क्रेप का कफ्तान है विथ मिरर वर्क. अ वेरी स्टनिंग पीस एट द प्राइस ऑफ जस्ट 1999. The pastel peach is available. No dear, it's not on website. This is the second color for the pastel peach. Both the colors are literally so pretty. Look at the embroidery. Sizes small to double XL. Price is 2499 since it's a very top notch good quality product. And also for those looking for padded ones guys, this one is so stunning. Full sleeves में आता है. It's in pure chinon. You guys know how premium chinon is. Very lightweight. And earlier it was for 3000. पहले जब ये न्यू लॉन्च हुआ था 3000 का था. अभी आपको फ्लैट 500 ऑफ मिल रहा है. That is just for 2499. Look at this. Our YouTube channel is trend_. As you can see हमारा पूरा नाम है जैसे इंस्टा पे है ट्रेंड ऑन द गो. एंड उसके बाद I'll just check it's 567 I guess. मजेंटा बंधेज सूट कौन सा दिखाया था मैंने आपको? I don't remember. And it has this bottom. प्राइस इसका 2499 है. प्योर चिनॉन में है. This is an आलिया कट सूट. It's padded with original mirror detailing. Price 2499 only. There's one more design. इसमें एक और design है. They are very pretty. Do you guys actually want me to wear these and show it to you all? It's going to look stunning. And for the people, pink cape set behind you. Pink cape. We don't have a cape set here, dear. This is the second one. Price 2499. आलिया कट है. Sizes small to double XL. Price is 2499. Okay, tell me guys which one. The green one do you want me to wear? Yes, many. Yes ma'am, please wear. Which one should I wear? The green one or should I wear the pink one? Please comment. Should I wear pink or should I wear green? Is 38? Yes, we have sizes small to double XL. All the sizes are available. I think ये अभी स्टॉक में हो जाएगा ना. People are commenting for pink. Would you guys wait for just 2 minutes? I'll change and come. The pink bottom with green. Okay, someone is commenting green, pink. It's really hard to decide. But I'll just go for the pink one because every girl's weakness is pink. Please separate for Anushka. Please WhatsApp कर दीजिए. We have 7 or 8 pieces. 42 is XL and 44 is double XL. If there could be an option where I could just do it like this and I could wear it जैसे reels में होता है, that would have been the best. Please show green. Yes, I will show you. Just give me 2 minutes. I'll change and just give me 2 minutes. Hi guys, so I am here. Please show kaftan. Which kaftan? I'll just tie the tassel. इसमें साथ में tassel भी आता है. You guys can see कितना stunning है ये. This is पीछे. I hope you guys are able to see the full look. So stunning, and this actually does not has a side cut. इसमें side cut नहीं है. And this one more color, guys. How's the look? Do you actually like it? The fit, I love it. Since I am a bit lean, I love padded suits. It actually gives me a very good fit for my body. You're looking good. Yes, it's actually a very stunning suit. There's one more color. ये उसका second color है. If you want to try something different, go for green. And rest, it's your choice. Price is 2499. It's in premium chinon, very lightweight. Pink bandhej, which one, Manisha? Which pink bandhej? Price इसका 2499 है, and it's in premium chinon. Green for me, yes please. WhatsApp कर दीजिए. मैम शेयर कफ्तान. अंजलि, which कफ्तान you're telling? Please tell me कौन सा कफ्तान. Size I'm wearing is a size medium. Okay, I will stand behind the wooden cabinet for you. Please have a look. Are you able to see the full look? Please see if you're able to get a full look or not. She looks so pretty in every dress. Thank you so much. It's just the way you look at me. जो मैंने पहले वेयर किया था उसका प्राइस 2300 था. ग्रीन बंधेज. नेहा, क्या जानना है आपको? पिंक दुपट्टा behind you. Okay, this is also up on website here. Price 1999 है. Do you have anything in red color? बहुत सारे options है red color में. Especially this one, ये हमारा best seller है from last 1 month, and we are not going to restock it anymore. Full look आप website पे देख सकते हो, else you can WhatsApp us. We will send you the full look. Sizes small to XXL है. It's 1999 to all those of you who have joined in now. अगर आपको श्राद्ध में नहीं buy करना है, you can actually pay a token amount and book your piece and get your pieces shipped out in Navratra. The orange, please show green bandhej again. Okay, this is the green bandhej. Dark blue, black one. It's actually with pads, तभी इतना सुंदर लग रहा है. It's fitting me very well. Also, this piece was really very decent at the price of just 1999. It's a chanderi suit with a very pretty orange color dupatta. You can see orange is one of the best selling colors of the season. Very very pretty. नीचे आप देखोगे जकार्ड की डिटेलिंग है. प्राइस 1999 ओनली. अंदर लाइनिंग लगी हुई है गाइस. दुपट्टा a very pretty अंगरखा पैटर्न सूट. साइड कट से आलिया कट है, बट यहाँ पे अंगरखा पैटर्न बना हुआ है. हैंडवर्क है यहाँ पे, आप देखोगे. साइजेस स्मॉल टू XXL है. प्राइस 2499 है. दिस इज अगेन इन द सेम फैब्रिक दैट आई एम वेयरिंग. वही सेम फैब्रिक है. नो आई एम नॉट एग्जॉस्टेड, इट्स जस्ट दैट बोल कर मेरा गला थोड़ा सा बैठ गया है. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. वेरी स्टनिंग पीस. प्राइस 2499. प्योर चिनॉन में. यहाँ पे फुल हैंडवर्क है. पीच पेस्टल एक बार दिखा दो फिर से प्लीज. इट्स हियर पीच पेस्टल. ये वाला इसका ये. It's not actually, you can fit it. It has this perfect fit. रेड वाला दिखा दो मैम. मैं किस रेड वाले की आप बात कर रहे हो? प्लीज शो द ब्लू एंड ब्लैक. ब्लू एंड ब्लैक. ओके. This is the kaftan. It's actually I wore it. You can check, the reel is already uploaded on the website. And this is how it looks. Price is just 1999. And this is the pastel wala. Love every piece that I purchased from you. Yes, Asta, I will be waiting for your pictures. Price 2499 only. Sizes small to XXL. Lavender suit बगल में है. Pink bandeज, so beautiful. Yes. Also, this is on sale. A pretty anarkali at the price of just 2800. Look at the flare, guys. ये Georgette fabric पे है. The fourth one from Bri. I have purchased 3 suits from you. The fabric quality and the dress are pretty. Thank you so much, ma'am. Best seller वाला. Okay, best seller वाला रेड आपको देखना है, आप ये लीजिए. आप प्लीज़ देखिए. रशियन सिल्क में है, जिकार डिटेलिंग के साथ. बहुत सुंदर पीस है. Guys, the price is 2800. 3200 का था. Very beautiful. Yes, the red one was for, and this is on sale for 2800. It's going to look very stunning. Full sleeves है. And यहाँ पे full handwork if you see. A very pretty Kota Doria Anarkali, one of my favorites. I mean, it's a crochet work है. आप देखोगे, it's very stunning. Very stunning. प्राइस इसका सिर्फ और सिर्फ 2800 है. क्रोशेट. आई हैव परचेज 2 सेट्स फ्रॉम यू मटे. थैंक यू सो मच. फैब्रिक इसका क्रोशेट कॉटन है. साइज स्मॉल टू XXL है. एंड दिस इज द स्लीव्स. आई पर्सनली लव कि ये इतना अच्छा इसमें फ्लेयर है. इफ यू सी द फ्लेयर इज सो अमेजिंग. आई एम रियली सॉरी गाइज, आई कैन नॉट चेंज अगेन. This is the Kota Doria dupatta. You can see bottom. Let me show you the bottom. इसके bottom में भी if you see it has this work. Price 2800. Red वाले का price 1999 है. अंजलि. Cash on delivery is not there. A very pretty anarkali. It's about to be sold out. Organza में है, handwork के साथ. फुल स्लीव्स में है. डिजिटल प्रिंटेड है विद दिस अमेजिंग फ्लेयर. वेरी स्टनिंग. प्राइस 2999 ओनली. दिस वन मोर अनारकली जो हम थर्ड टाइम रीस्टॉक. नो वन इज रिप्लाइंग. अंजलि प्लीज वेट कीजिए. दे विल रिप्लाई बैक टू यू बिकॉज वेन एवर वी डू अ लाइव सेशन वी गेट सो मैनी क्वेरीज. 5XL में नहीं है. शैली वर्मा, आई एम रियली सॉरी. कैन यू शो द फोर्थ फ्रॉम राइट? ब्लू ब्लैक वन. Blue black one, fourth from right. Blue black one, dear. Which blue black one? Are you talking about this? आर यू टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस? क्या आप इसकी बात कर रहे हैं? बिटवीन ऑरेंज एंड पिंक. दिस इज गाइज अ पलाजो सूट. इसके नीचे प्लाजो आता है. प्राइस 2599. साइज आपको व्हाट्सएप पे पूछ के चेक करना होगा. 2 or 3 pieces are there. I don't know which size is there. The team will give you a confirmation over there. Price 2599 है. प्योर चिनॉन में लहरिया प्रिंट पे with a stunning दुपट्टा. This अनारकली थर्ड टाइम हम रीस्टॉक कर रहे हैं. Every time it goes out of stock. काइंड रिक्वेस्ट, अगर आपको रिप्लाई नहीं मिल रहा है, आप लोग कॉल करने लग जाते हो. इट एक्चुअली डिस्टर्ब्स माई लाइफ बिकॉज हमारा एक व्हाट्सएप नंबर 3 फ़ोन्स में ऑपरेट होता है. सो प्लीज़ डू नॉट मेक कॉल्स. वी विल गेट बैक टू यू सुपर सून. देखियो, इट हैज़ डिटेल. इफ़ यू नीड मॉडल पिक्चर्स प्लीज़ व्हाट्सएप अस. लुक एट दिस. फुल आप देखोगे फ्लेयरी है. ये इसका जॉर्जेट पे दुपट्टा है. कॉटन का पीस है. प्राइस इज 2999 ओनली. इज देयर एनी अदर पीस दैट यू वांट टू सी? प्लीज लेट मी नो. आई होप यू आर एबल टू सी द फुल लुक ऑफ दिस पीस. One more in a premium tissue. This is the premium tissue again. Very different color combination. Look at this handwork. This is the dupatta. Sizes we have is small to XXL. Embroidery at the bottom. Price 2499 since it's in glass tissue. One of the most trending fabrics. The previous white one, please. Which white one? I'll just guys, you can also check our live session on our YouTube channel. I'll give the link on our stories. I think, can you show वो पर्पल वाला? Also, this is moving really fast. Purple with 3 or 4 pieces are there. Mauve color भी है इसका. वेबसाइट पे आप देखोगे the price is 2100. शिफली कॉटन में है. फुल हैंडवर्क है. And a very pretty मल कॉटन दुपट्टा. साइज is small to XXL. प्राइस इसका है 1999. अंजलि, आप प्लीज़ वेट कीजिए. विद इन 5 or 10 minutes द लाइव विल गेट ओवर एंड पोस्ट दैट आपको इमीडिएटली रिप्लाईज मिलेंगी. Placed order for 2 suits today. Amazing collection. Thank you so much, Sheenam Khatri. Also, this is a very stunning suit, guys. At the price of 2100. Also, this is our best seller at the price of just 1895. Muslin में है. And I personally love the dupatta, the color combination of green and maroon. Size is still 3XL. Yes, we have 3XL as well. Price इसका है already shown. Yeah, this one. Also, this one, trust me, each and every customer is getting this piece. जो एक piece जो I mean every second order जो हम website पे देख रहे हैं वो इसी piece का है. I don't know what's the exclusiveness of the piece, but हर कोई इस piece को ले रहा है and they are sharing such great feedbacks. जयपुरी कॉटन में है ये अनारकली. आप देख रहे हो स्टेप फ्लेयर्ड है. हैंडवर्क है. फुल स्लीव्स. एंड गाइस, सबसे बेस्ट चीज़ है, इट्स इन प्योर कॉटन. कॉन्ट्रास्टिक दुपट्टा है. दिस इज द दुपट्टा ब्लॉक प्रिंटेड में. प्राइस 2300 है. एवरी ऑर्डर इन द वेबसाइट, एवरी सेकेंड ऑर्डर इसी पीस का है. द बोथ कलर्स. वी डोंट हैव कैश ऑन डिलीवरी गाइस. पिंक बंदेज, डेफिनेटली पिंक बंदेज देखिए. प्राइस 2400. साइज स्टिल 3XL. इसमें 2 कलर्स थे. लास्ट फ्यू पीसेस बचे हैं. साइजेस योर कलेक्शन. थैंक यू सो मच अनिका. 2 डिफरेंट कलर्स. प्योर चिटॉन में है. A लाइन फिट है. इट्स अ कोड सेट. Price 13.99, sizes small to XXL. Please show the cotton anarkali closely. Look at this. This is the bottom. Bottom is also printed. You can see me wearing it on the website. That's all, guys. I'm not feeling well. I cannot actually speak a lot now because मेरी आवाज़ नहीं निकल रही अब. I'll see you all super soon again with our next live session. आज आप बाय करते हो बिफोर मिडनाइट. अगर आप बिफोर मिडनाइट बाय करते हो 12 बजे से पहले 5,000 की शॉपिंग पे आपको मिलेगा अ सूट और अ कोट सेट एब्सोल्युटली फ्री ऑफ योर साइज. आप सिलेक्ट नहीं कर सकते हो, बट ट्रस्ट मी, जस्ट बिकॉज इट्स अ फ्री प्रोडक्ट इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि हम कुछ भी आपको भेज देंगे. यू ऑलवेज नो, जिनको पहले हमसे गिफ्ट्स मिला है, दैट वी सेंड सच गिफ्ट्स कि क्लाइंट्स वापस रिपीट ऑर्डर्स प्लेस करते हैं उनके. हमें देयर इज अ क्लाइंट नेम्ड पूजा, उनको हमने एक मेडी भेजा था एज अ गिफ्ट. उनके फैमिली को इतना पसंद आया, शी टुक 16 pieces of it. ओके गाइज, आई विल सी यू अगेन टुडे. आप हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को फॉलो कर सकते हो. आप वहाँ पे आई शेयर दिस लाइव. आप परचेज कर सकते हो. आई टेल यू आर यूट्यूब, इवन इफ यू ऑर्डर फ्रॉम वेबसाइट वैलिड ओनली टिल मिडनाइट. आई टेल यू आर यूट्यूब ID. They can't see. trend_on_the_go and last में है 5761. We have 92 subscriber right now. Thank you. Take care. Thank you so much. I'll save the live. See you super soon again. Good night, guys.